Line squares, like Sudoku, are made up of columns and rows running left to right, and columns up and down. Although that's really where it ends for the similarity between the two, because line squares are much more useful than this as puzzles or games. Line squares are made up of symbols and treatments in each cell that are unique in each row and column in that they do not duplicate and are used twice or more in each row or column. The rows and columns are also made up of factors that are kept separate from each other and do not combine. Additionally, the factors in rows and columns must be placed randomly to eliminate bias. As mentioned previously, to create a line square, the rows and columns must be randomized to ensure the most reduction in error. This can be done through computer programs or simply rolling dice to determine the order. Line squares serve multiple roles and provide unique benefits like how they can control two factors at once and keep them separate of each other. This helps in experiments that require two factors to be separate. Line squares are also capable of conducting experiments in smaller sizes due to how they separate the two factors from one another, allowing testing with multiple factors to utilize the same trial instead of having individual trials for each factor. Line squares can also be very helpful in many disciplines, including engineering. The isolation of factors that create experiments who need relatively small trials helps reduce time and resources needed to conduct experiments. And the capability of having two factors instead of one provides plenty of versatility. Take this experiment to find the effect of weather and time on materials, for example. The two factors are both present in the table but are kept separate from each other, making it possible to analyze each factor and their treatments separately. Through using the line squares, the trials are reduced to 16 rather than 32 that are needed if each material were to be tested by a single factor. Through using a line square, it helps save time and resources. Additionally, it also is presented in a much more concise and compact visual that is easier to follow.